What is mindful practicing? Mindful practicing is when you put your mind to your practicing, and that is all you are concentrating on. Hi, I'm Madame Sheila, and this is Amelia.
Hi.
Amelia is going to be challenged this week to do some mindful practicing. Now, that is involved with her piano, because she is a piano student, as well as her theory. And because she's a piano student, she is doing theory. Her challenge is going to be to spend mindful practicing doing her theory. How old are you, Amelia?
I'm 9 turning 10.
9 turning 10. So we've decided that it's going to be 10 minutes. So one time on one day this week, Amelia has to sit down for 10 minutes to do her theory. And she has to concentrate only on her theory for 10 whole minutes. It doesn't sound like very long, does it?
No.
No, but have you ever had students sit there and go, I don't want to do this takes too long? Well, whining is not part of mindful practicing. So mindful practicing is no whining, no watching TV, no playing on your iPad while you are doing your theory for 10 whole minutes, because Amelia is 10 years old. Now, Amelia can easily work ahead in this book. The Music Theory Beginner ABC set is written so well. Amelia, have you ever had any trouble working ahead?
No.
No. You just read and do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's done many pages on her own. But this challenge, for 10 whole minutes this week, she's going to sit and do her theory. No distractions, setting a timer. When she gets to her lesson, we are going to clip the corners of her pages and put them in the Amelia jar. Now, you can do this any way you want. There are these kind of jars that I picked up at just the grocery store, but then I also found little jars at the dollar store that you can put students' names on. You don't have to be fancy with me and foam. I'm just like one of those craft nuts. I love doing crafts. So Amelia's clipped corners. Now you see she's already got some clipped corners because she did a summer theory group. But when she does her practicing this week for 10 whole minutes, she's going to work in this book with a timer on. And when she comes to her lesson, we are going to put her clipped pages in her jar. And then at the end of the year, it'll be fun to count how many pages she completed, all by doing 10 minutes of mindful practicing in her theory once a week. And you know what you're doing? You're teaching your children a work ethic. You're teaching them how to concentrate. And it really is going to be easy. Now, can you do more than 10 minutes?
Yes.
Yes. And when she does more than 10 minutes of mindful theory, then she's going to get a bonus bead. Again, these are just ideas that you can use. I have the opportunity in my studio to be able to hang these. When she does her mindful theory, Tito, can you grab the bonus beads? Is going to give her a bonus bead. It's like Tito's the boss, and he is paying Amelia to do theory for 10 whole minutes. She's going to work for 10 minutes for him, but if she works more, she gets a bonus bead, and she gets to put it on her practice buddy. So I hope that gives you some ideas to use for mindful practicing challenges for your students. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.